Hi guys, welcome to yet another video of our business AS level and A2 level course pack introduction videos. Okay, and within these videos I have been guiding you on how to actually get started, how to complete each chapter. Definitely during your preparation journey you will have a lot of questions, you will have a lot of doubts, and you might too ask and get guidance on it. So yes, let me assure you, we are here to support you throughout your preparation journey. You are not alone. And not just me, we have a community of students who study together for this particular session and the next session. Obviously, every year this happens. So you're part of a batch of students, a community of students where there are a lot of individuals like you who want to prepare for this course, and we are going to help each other out throughout the journey to make this a good and a more positive, enjoyable learning experience. So if you want to attempt past papers, now that's a question. If you are preparing for October-November session, you will prepare for the course, you will watch the video lectures, you will complete your homeworks, you will use the resources. But a really important part of your preparation is to get into past papers, because past papers help us to write, help us to structure our answers. Even if you know the entire course, if you know all the definitions, but if you don't know how to structure your answers, if you don't know how to put it in words, because I have been experiencing with a lot of students that what they think and what they write can become different. If I'm thinking about a concept, but when I start to write about that concept, it might get different. So writing skill is a very important skill, and you have to go into the past papers as soon as you can do it. Ideally, once you have completed half your course, I would recommend you to just dive into the past papers. If you don't know the entire course also, that's not a problem. And how you start to attempt past papers now, how you go into it. So now what you need to do is you need to use our YouTube well. Okay, now YouTube is another resource. You need to search on YouTube Business by Kothari. You will get here, you will get the playlists, and now you see there are some playlists here. Let's say Business AS level paper 1 practice with Asad Kothari, Business A2 level paper 3 practice, and then we have online class records. So you don't need to use all the playlists, obviously, go slow again. But let's say if you want to go for paper 1 practice, you go to this playlist and you, of your choice, maybe just watch. There are good quality content here. A lot of videos are here. You can start to watch maybe 3 videos or 4 videos or 5 videos. The more you watch, the better it gets, obviously. But what you do in these videos, I have solved specific questions of 2 markers or 3 markers, or paper 1s and paper 2s and paper 3s and paper 4s, multiple papers in the different playlists. What you do, you start to watch these videos. At least watch 5-6 videos for whatever paper you want to practice. Let's say if you want to practice paper 1, you watch 5, 6, 7 videos of paper 1, you see what am I doing, what structure the paper is, and then also you can, if you want to, let's say, practice paper 3, you go to paper 3, depending on your level, obviously, as a student, AS or A2. But what you do, you go to YouTube, search for Business by Kothari, go to the playlist section, find that playlist, paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, paper 4, and then watch at least 5, 6, 7 videos in that particular playlist. Any of your choice, just scroll around, see around. The more you watch, the better it gets. By the end of session, I would want my students to watch all the videos here on YouTube, okay? All the playlists, basically. So yeah, okay, you have to use these playlists. Also, we have this playlist, O and A level business exam tips and techniques. That's a very important playlist. If you get into the course pack, you go into this playlist and see the tips and techniques for paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, or paper 4, depending on your AS or A2 levels. Okay, so you start from here, and then once you have watched at least 5-6 videos, once you are aware of the structure, then you can just start to attempt past papers on your own also. You just take a paper, let's say paper 1, keep a timer of 1 hour, 15 minutes, and solve it. Solve it. Go to the marking scheme and compare it. Also, obviously, once you start doing and once you start writing, you will start to get questions. You will wonder and worry and how to do it, and that's a normal phase of preparation. So feel very confident about it. You will struggle initially, and then you will get hold of it. That's like a normal thing. That's not something abnormal. Every student goes through the same process. Okay. And yeah, that's it for this video. But let me tell you, along with these videos, along with these resources, I'm also going to support you through an online workshop. By the end of session, before your exam in October, I will be conducting a detailed exam related workshop where I will be guiding you with your queries, also with the tips and techniques when you go for an exam. So that workshop will be announced for all my course pack students like you. So thank you very much for enrolling. Thank you very much for trusting us with this opportunity to teach you, to guide you throughout the process. Best of luck for your upcoming exam and stay connected. Have a good day ahead. Keep smiling.